Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 24 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is something that glows in the dark. I'm going with moon. A soft texture. I'm going with the flowers. A page with water stain or smudge. I've got this coffee dyed paper. Image of a vintage sign or poster. I've got this advertisement. Image of a teacup or a coffee mug. I've got this. And the bonus is lace, real paper, or otherwise. And I've got this. So I hope everybody's doing great. Without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to start off. Let's see what I'm going to start off. I'm going to start off with my background. And I'm going to put that down. I got some smeared on it. That's going to be covered up anyway. I don't know what I got on it. There's no telling with this desk. All right. I'm getting used to my new printer. My old printer, I didn't have to tell it portrait or landscape, and I ended up printing that in the wrong orientation. That down, and let's see, I want to lay this out. I've got the mug, so I thought about doing that and kind of having the moon come down like that. And I've got that and that. So let me get these down. Well, today is Father's Day for those dads in the United States. Be sure and wish your dad a happy Father's Day. Or call him, even if it's not Father's Day where you live. Call him and let him know you love him, because I sure miss mine. Down. Now, I wanted to use a dad in this one, but I couldn't make it work. And I did do the crossword collage yesterday that Barbie does at Nellie and Ruth Designs. And I dedicated that one to the fathers. So you can check that out. It'll be at the end of this one. It should be. There we go. And my moon. Go. I like it. Now we'll do a few splatters. Righty, find my brush. Guess I didn't get enough water. There we go. Oh yeah, and I want to add, here we go. Because that's kind of empty right there. So I'm going to put love you. Love you to the moon and back. Make sure that is down. Well, this was a very easy one. Let's see what we've got here. We have got something that glows in the dark. I've got my moon. I got my soft texture is a flower. A page with a water stain or smudge. I've got this coffee dyed paper. An image of a vintage sign or poster. I've got that. And a teacup or coffee mug. I've got the teacup. And the bonus is lace, real paper or otherwise. And I've got my lace. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. Be sure and check out the hashtag 2025CWP24. It's all listed in my description box down below. So until next time, bye y'all.